Welcome back to the channel, Auto Land. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic hypercars ever created, reborn with futuristic engineering and cutting-edge design, the 2025 Ferrari LaFerrari. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of performance, technology, and timeless Italian artistry. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 LaFerrari a marvel in the automotive world. The new LaFerrari carries forward the legacy of its legendary predecessor while pushing the boundaries even further. At first glance, the design is unmistakably Ferrari, sharp, aggressive lines sculpted with aerodynamic precision. The front end features redesigned LED headlamps integrated into a sleeker nose cone, complemented by active aerodynamic elements that adjust depending on speed and driving mode. The low, wide stance screams performance, while carbon fiber accents give it a high-tech, race-ready look. Under the hood, the 2025 LaFerrari doesn't disappoint. Ferrari has introduced an all-new hybrid V12 powertrain that combines raw internal combustion muscle with electric torque for lightning-fast acceleration. The naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine is paired with 3 electric motors, generating a combined output of over 1,200 horsepower. That's right, 1,200 horsepower channeled through a lightning-fast dual-clutch 8-speed transmission. The result is a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of under 2.5 seconds and a top speed exceeding 220 miles per hour. Ferrari's F1 experience is clearly visible in the engineering of this car. The hybrid system is not just about power, it also enhances torque delivery, efficiency, and even weight distribution. The battery pack, developed in-house by Ferrari, is lighter and more energy-dense than ever, allowing for brief moments of all-electric driving in city environments while boosting acceleration on the track. Inside the cockpit, the LaFerrari is a blend of minimalist design and high-tech luxury. The driver-focused layout includes a fully digital instrument cluster, a racing-style steering wheel with integrated controls, and an advanced head-up display. Every element is crafted from premium materials like Alcantara, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum. The seating position is fixed, just like in Formula 1, while the pedal box and steering wheel are adjustable to ensure the perfect driving position for any driver. Technology plays a major role in the new LaFerrari. Ferrari's latest infotainment system includes AI-driven performance analytics, real-time telemetry, and even virtual track coaching. With onboard sensors and cloud connectivity, the car can analyze your driving style and suggest improvements lap after lap. This transforms the LaFerrari from just a fast car into a tool for driver development. When it comes to handling, the 2025 LaFerrari is sharper and more responsive than ever before. Thanks to an upgraded adaptive suspension system, rear-wheel steering, and a torque vectoring AWD setup, the car stays glued to the tarmac even in the most demanding corners. Ferrari's side slip control 8.0 system allows skilled drivers to push the car to its limits, while keeping everything in check with precise electronic oversight. Braking is handled by next-gen carbon ceramic discs co-developed with Brembo. These brakes provide immense stopping power with excellent heat management, critical for high-speed track driving. Combined with regenerative braking from the hybrid system, the LaFerrari delivers not only performance but also efficiency. Limited to just 599 units globally, the 2025 LaFerrari is as exclusive as it is powerful. Each car is hand-built in Maranello, with customization options that let buyers create a truly bespoke machine. From unique exterior paint finishes to custom interiors and performance packages, every LaFerrari is a one-of-one creation. And let's not forget about the sound, the soul of any Ferrari. Despite the hybrid system, the 2025 LaFerrari retains the spine-tingling roar of a high-revving V12. Ferrari's engineers have crafted an exhaust note that is raw, aggressive, and unmistakably Italian. It's the kind of sound that sends shivers down your spine and reminds you why Ferrari stands at the top of the supercar world. The 2025 LaFerrari is more than just a car. It's a symbol of Ferrari's commitment to innovation, performance, and heritage. Whether it's carving up a racetrack, turning heads on the street, or sitting proudly in a collector's garage, this machine represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Thank you for watching this video on Auto Land. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world's most exciting cars. I'll see you in the next video.